Life is a tapestry of experiences woven with threads of joy, sorrow, triumph, and adversity. Each thread represents a moment, a memory, a lesson learned. The vibrant colors of joy and triumph stand out, but the darker threads of sorrow and adversity are just as essential, adding depth and texture to the overall picture. Without these contrasting threads, the tapestry would lack its richness and complexity. It's a journey filled with unexpected twists and turns, testing our resolve and pushing us to our limits. The path is rarely straight or easy. It winds through rugged terrain, climbs steep mountains, and descends into deep valleys. Each twist and turn presents a new challenge, a new opportunity to grow and learn. It's in these moments of struggle that we discover our true strength and resilience. Yet amidst the storms, there's a remarkable human spirit that shines through, the indomitable spirit of resilience. This spirit is not easily broken. It stands tall in the face of adversity, like a lighthouse guiding ships through a tempest. It's the inner fire that keeps burning, even when the winds of life try to extinguish it. This spirit is what drives us to keep going, to keep fighting, even when the odds are stacked against us. Resilience is the inner strength that empowers us to navigate life's challenges with courage and grace. It's the calm in the storm, the quiet confidence that we can handle whatever comes our way. This strength is not always visible on the surface. It often lies deep within, waiting to be called upon in times of need. It's the result of years of experience, of facing and overcoming countless obstacles. It's the ability to rise above adversity, to bounce back from setbacks, and to emerge stronger from the crucible of life's tests. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, resilience allows us to transform our pain and suffering into something beautiful and powerful. It's the process of turning our wounds into wisdom, our struggles into strength. Each time we rise, we become a little bit stronger, a little bit wiser. It's not about avoiding hardship altogether, but rather about facing it head-on with unwavering determination. Life will always present challenges, but it's our response to these challenges that defines us. Do we shrink back in fear, or do we stand tall and face them with courage? Resilience is about choosing the latter, about meeting each challenge with a steadfast heart and an unbreakable spirit. Think of a mighty oak tree weathering a fierce storm. Its branches may bend and sway, but its trunk remains unyielding. This tree has weathered countless storms, each one leaving its mark, but none have been able to break it. Its strength lies not just in its size, but in its deep roots and its ability to bend without breaking. Its branches may sway violently, and its leaves may be ripped away by the wind. The storm may strip it of its foliage, leaving it bare and exposed. But this is only temporary. The tree knows that in time, new leaves will grow, and it will once again stand tall and proud. This is the essence of resilience. The ability to endure, to adapt, and to grow stronger in the face of adversity. Yet, its roots remain firmly planted in the ground, anchoring it against the onslaught. These roots are its foundation, providing stability and nourishment. They reach deep into the earth, drawing strength from the soil. Similarly, our resilience is rooted in our values, our beliefs, and our connections to others. These roots keep us grounded, giving us the strength to withstand life's storms. Similarly, resilience is our inner anchor, providing us with the strength and stability to weather life's storms. It's the foundation upon which we build our lives, the rock that we cling to when the waves crash around us. This anchor keeps us steady, allowing us to face each challenge with confidence and grace. It's the quiet strength that whispers, "You can do this," even when everything else seems to be falling apart. In the face of adversity, resilience is not a passive trait but an active process. It's a choice we make every day, to keep moving forward, to keep striving for our goals, no matter how difficult the journey may be. It's the determination to push through the pain, to keep going even when we want to give up. This active process requires effort, commitment, and a willingness to embrace the challenges that come our way. It's about harnessing our inner resources, cultivating a positive mindset, and developing coping mechanisms that empower us to overcome challenges and thrive. This means taking care of our mental and emotional well-being, seeking support from others, and finding ways to stay positive and motivated. It's about building a toolkit of strategies that we can draw upon in times of need, ensuring that we are always prepared to face whatever life throws our way. Resilience is not just about surviving, it's about thriving, about living our best lives despite the challenges we face. Resilience is not a fixed trait that we are born with or without. It's a quality that can be developed and nurtured over time, much like any other skill or ability. It's a dynamic quality that can be cultivated and strengthened over time. Just as a plant grows with consistent care and attention, our resilience can flourish with deliberate effort and practice. Just like a muscle that grows stronger with exercise, our capacity for resilience expands as we face and overcome challenges. Each obstacle we encounter and surmount adds to our inner strength, making us more capable of handling future difficulties. One of the key elements of resilience is the ability to reframe adversity. This means looking at challenges from a different perspective, finding ways to see them not as roadblocks but as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Instead of viewing setbacks as insurmountable obstacles, resilient individuals see them as opportunities for growth and learning. They understand that each setback is a chance to learn something new, to develop new skills, and to become stronger and more capable. They understand that failures are not the opposite of success, but rather stepping stones on the path to achievement. Each failure is a lesson, a building block that brings them closer to their ultimate goals. Another important aspect of resilience is the cultivation of a positive mindset. This involves maintaining an optimistic outlook, even in the face of adversity, and believing in one's ability to overcome challenges. This doesn't mean ignoring or denying negative emotions, but rather choosing to focus on the good, even in the midst of difficult circumstances. It's about acknowledging the difficulties while also recognizing the potential for positive outcomes. It's about finding silver linings in the clouds and maintaining a sense of hope, even when the going gets tough. This hopeful outlook can provide the motivation and energy needed to keep moving forward, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. Resilience is also about taking action. It's about being proactive rather than reactive, taking steps to address challenges head-on rather than waiting for them to resolve themselves. It's about refusing to be paralyzed by fear or doubt, and instead taking proactive steps to overcome challenges and move forward. This might involve setting goals, making plans, and taking concrete actions to achieve those goals, even in the face of uncertainty. It's about seeking support when needed, learning from our mistakes, and persevering in the face of adversity. Resilient individuals know that they don't have to face challenges alone. They can reach out to others for help and support, and they can learn from the experiences of those who have faced similar challenges. Ultimately, resilience is about growth and transformation. It's about becoming stronger, wiser, and more capable through the experiences we face. It's about turning adversity into an opportunity for personal development and emerging from challenges with a renewed sense of purpose and determination. By cultivating resilience, we can navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and confidence. We can face challenges head-on, learn from our experiences, and continue to grow and thrive no matter what obstacles come our way. Throughout history, countless individuals have exemplified the power of resilience. These individuals, from various walks of life, have faced seemingly insurmountable challenges, and yet, they have risen above them with unwavering determination and strength. Their stories are not just tales of survival, but of triumph, showcasing the indomitable human spirit. Their stories serve as beacons of hope and inspiration, lighting the way for others who may be struggling. They remind us that no matter how difficult the journey, there is always a glimmer of hope, a chance for a better tomorrow. Reminding us that even in the darkest of times, when all seems lost and the weight of the world feels unbearable, the human spirit can shine the brightest. It is in these moments of profound struggle that true resilience is born. The human spirit can overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. It is this spirit that drives individuals to push beyond their limits, to fight for what they believe in, and to never give up, no matter the odds. Consider the story of Malala Yousafzai, the young Pakistani activist who was shot in the head by the Taliban for speaking out in favor of education for girls. Her story is one of incredible bravery and resilience. Despite the horrific ordeal she endured, Malala refused to be silenced. Her voice grew louder, her message stronger, and her resolve unbreakable. She became a symbol of hope and courage for millions around the world. She continued to advocate for girls' education, becoming the youngest Nobel Prize laureate in history. Her journey from a small village in Pakistan to the global stage is a testament to the power of resilience and the impact one individual can have on the world. Another inspiring example is that of Viktor Frankl, an Austrian neurologist and psychiatrist who survived the Holocaust. His story is one of profound suffering and remarkable resilience. Despite enduring unimaginable suffering in Nazi concentration camps, Frankl emerged from the experience with his spirit unbroken. He found meaning in his suffering and used his experiences to help others find theirs. He went on to write the seminal book, Man's Search for Meaning, in which he shared his belief that even in the face of extreme adversity, humans have the freedom to choose their attitude and find meaning in their suffering. His work has inspired countless individuals to find purpose and strength in their own lives. These stories and countless others like them remind us that resilience is not a superpower reserved for a select few. It is a quality that lies within each of us, waiting to be discovered and nurtured. It's a human quality that resides within each of us, waiting to be awakened and cultivated. By embracing our inner strength and resilience, we can overcome any challenge, no matter how daunting. These stories of triumph serve as a powerful reminder that we are all capable of greatness, and that our potential is limitless. Building resilience is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's about developing habits and practices that strengthen our inner resources and empower us to navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and resilience. One powerful strategy is to cultivate a growth mindset. This involves embracing challenges as opportunities for learning and growth, rather than viewing them as threats to our ego. It's about believing that our abilities are not fixed, but rather can be developed through effort, perseverance, and learning from our mistakes. Another helpful practice is to develop a strong sense of self-awareness. This involves paying attention to our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, and understanding how they influence our behavior. By becoming more aware of our own patterns, we can identify and challenge negative thought patterns and develop healthier coping mechanisms. Taking care of our physical health is also crucial for building resilience. This includes getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in regular physical activity. When we prioritize our physical well-being, we provide our bodies with the resources they need to cope with stress and adversity.